Hey YouTube, Jack's back, and I've got threes in the morning. Yes, we've got threes. Three threes. 37, 3, 39. The threes in the numbers. Oh boy. Sounds like a lot of fun to me. Got 87, 88, 89 of the bolt bucks. Bolt bucks. And I get two of these stupid killer block crosswords out of the last two. 98, 99. Do you think we have some wins there? Let's hope so. There's a new crossword coming out in August, so that's like now. Next end of the month, we should get some new crossword. I think it's a $3 bingo we're getting. Yeah, I think it's a $3 bingo we're getting. A new interpretation flamingo bingo. We got our penny for the penny cup, and it is sea life. Got a yucky thing on the back. It's all black. And hopefully we can find some wins on this game. Now, if you get all the letters in any of these grids here, green, yellow, or blue color, that's the color block win, and you win that thing in the prize over here. Or you need at least 5 words to win $3. 6 words are 20, and 9 words are $50,000. Hopefully we find that. Okay, we have an A, an E, an O, and a U. We have no I, no L. Yeah, that's what I usually like to do it. But never works out well for these. So we're just going to start here. We got trot, T-R-O-T. One word. No I, so we can't have this color block here. And we can't get that word, and we can't get that word. Can we get square? And there's no Q, so we can't get that word either. But we do have the UAR part of it. How about trumpet? Can we do trumpet? T-R-U-M-P-E-T. Sure we can. We got trumpet. That's 2 words. How about track? T-R-A. Got that part of the color grid, but we don't have a C. Right? No C. So we can't get that one down there. Do we have run? Yeah, we have run. We have the P-E-O. Yep, we have P-E-O. Do we have the N? We have an H. That's an 8. Yep, we have an H. Getting close to getting that yellow grid done. T-O-Y-O-U-N-G. No Y's. We have an O, and we have the U. We have the G, we got a win. And we have a G, we have a win. We have the yellow area. And we have what? 1, 2 words, 3 words so far. We need 2 more words. Do we have expect? No X, so we can't have that word. We have P-L-E. We don't have an L, so we can't have that word. Don't have an L for eagle. We don't have the Z for haze, so we do have the yellow grid. There's a surprise. We've got a winner. And I suppose that could be just about any amount over there, because I don't know what those prizes run. I don't know if you can find what is it, 50,000 under one of them or not. I do not know. So right now we can assume, yes, you can. That's not folded very well, is it? No, it wasn't. I did a very bad job of that. Trying to make it so we can see the letters. I cut off part of them. Push it back down so we can see all the letters. Otherwise, I'll have a heck of a time doing this crossword. There we go. That looks a little better. A-O-U-E, we still don't have an I. So we know we don't have that one or that one. H-O, no W or no L. So we know we don't have that one or that one. No L for mineral. We have usage. So. Massage. Invest. No I. We don't have that part. No stir or tie or special or audit. Well, yeah, no winners in the bottom grid. We have to go up here just to the top. Our yellow winner is going to be 4. Hopefully a lot. And it is, of course, $3. But hey, a win is a win is a win is a win. Color blocked one more time. A, E, and U. We have no I or O this time. Get rid of that word and 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 that word. No way we're going to have 5 words on this one. We could get the blue grid, maybe, but I don't see AG up here, so we didn't get the blue grid either. The only one we got was here. Probably real. Yeah. Maybe we got 3 words and that's it. Ahoy. Nope, we don't have an O. So we only got 2 words in the whole grid. Got everything. And we didn't match any colors, which is always terrible. Fold this one up and try to make something good happen in the bottom part of this ticket. No C, so we don't have that word, or that one, or that one. And we don't have inspect either. And no G for unplug or grow, so we don't have that word or that word. Rule, yeah, we have rule. So we need 5 words to get $3. No C's. No I for prior, so we can't get that word. Or sit. Well, we have straw anyway. That gets it. Yeah, because we don't have an O for robot. The last tick in the book was crapola. Scan it to make sure, but pretty sure that's crapola. Okay, on to the bolt box. We know I miss lots of symbols on these just because we're trying to get them done fast as we can. And it doesn't matter, I'll scan it anyway. We're going to hopefully find winners. Umbrella and a piggy wiggy. Stupid pig. Umbrella. Don't see either in the top grid. A rainbow and a crown. We get the rainbow up here. Crown, 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 crown. We got a rainbow down here. Not seeing a crown. Ooh, crown right next to it. Look at that. How about a lock? We could find a lock. We'd have a lock on the wing. Clover and cloud. Clover, cloud we got. Any clover all over? Don't see any clovers. How about a wallet and a horseshoe? Thought I saw, yeah, I did see a horseshoe. And we got one down here. We have wallets to go with it. Yeah, a wallet right there. On the bolt row. We get the bolt in, it's 3 times the prize. Silver and pearls. Silver. Pearls and silver. Pearls. Got a lot of symbols so far. Dollar sign and the moon. Dollar sign. Pearls down here. I missed them. Got the moon. Don't see anything else I'm missing, but it's possible. Ah, we got the bolt and we got money. Bolt, money. No bolt or money down here. Still need that lock. But the gold and a diamond. We got a pot of gold down here too. And a pot of gold up here and a diamond. Holy cow, look at all these chances we have to win on those last two symbols. We could win with a key. We could win with a cactus. We could win with a mustache, a star, or a lock, or a light. Surely we got to have one of something. VIP. Now we can win with a star or triple. If we just get the star or the key, we can win triple. Coins. Coins wasn't one of my winning symbols. You silly. Wait. Wait. Do we have grapes? We didn't have grapes, did we? I wanted to have grapes. Clover. Well, looks like a loser. Just a big tease from the Bolt box. Let's try another, shall we? A heart and a luby. A luby. And it's got a heart on it. Heart, 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 ruby. Wow, I've got two rubies, no heart. No heart. Mustache and cactus. Mustache. Cacti. A wallet and a bolt. Do we even have a bolt? Yeah, there's a bolt. We have a wallet? Yeah, we do. How about the lower part? Do we have a wallet? I don't think I've ever seen two bolts on a ticket. How about a light and a lock? Now we get the lock. It doesn't matter. Don't see a light either. Don't see a light or a lock? Oh, there's a lock. I think we didn't have anything on that one. Bag and crown. Crown. Bag. Crown or bag up top. Don't believe we got a bag, but we do have a crown. Coins and diamond. Coins. Diamond. Diamond coins. No. Cash and a safe. And the cash. Safe down here. A rainbow and a key. Got a key. Got a key. Got a rainbow. White ring would be nice. Anything that wins would be nice. The moon is not a winning symbol. But let's get us closer on some other ones. Gold bar. No good. Well, I don't believe we have any wins. Three, 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 three. Umbrella, cloud. Don't have either of those over there. Silver. No, no umbrella, no cloud, no silver, no ring, and no wins. No runs, no hits, a whole bunch of errors. Last bolt box, and then we're going to do the threes. A moon and a ring. Moon. Ring, anybody? Ring. Now we got the moon and the ring. Nothing down the bottom. How about a key and a cloud? Key and cloud. Oh, come on. Don't have either. Ah, there's a key. Key cloud, key cloud. No. Talk and a crown. Yeah, at least it's not teasing us really bad. Like giving us on top and bottom grids. Coins and a star. Coins. No, he needs an umbrella. And a star. Diamond and cacti. Cactus and diamond. Bolt safe. Light and a rainbow. Need that umbrella. Give us 2 wins if we get the umbrella. So, pretty much know we're not getting the umbrella. A ruby and a heart. And a heart. Hope I'm not missing anything. Pot of gold that matters. Cash sign, grapes, silver. Don't see him. Oh, we got a light here. I already had light before. Well, I guess the umbrella wouldn't give us a win because we don't have sunglasses. And the bag doesn't give us a win either. Boy, this game's tough. It is honestly tough. Hard to find wins on this thing. And it makes me tired and sleepy and stuff, so. 3s. All you gotta do is find 3s. Or 10 or 30 in the bonus section. Back it out just a little. So we can get all the 3s in there. Bonus spot is not there. Not there. How about a 3? How about another 3? How about 3? Yeah, that was no good. Throw it away. No 3 in that row. No 3 there. How do we not have a 3? Really? No 3s? Well, I suppose. Bonus time. No. I've never hit anything in the bonus on this game. Heck, I haven't hit anything on this game hardly. Worth a darn. 3. 3. No. No 3s. No 3s. And we get our first 3. All right. Let's check our bonuses. Nothing there. But what do we have at the lowly little 3 is a lowly little 3. But $3 back is better than nothing. Which gives us $2 $3 back for 6. Thanks for watching. Remember, contest going on. Go back to Thursday's video. Enter the contest. Get a chance to win some tickets or some silver or something else nice like that. Yeah, you can win some silver. Have a great weekend.